napakaganda. Grabe, breathtaking. We'll prepare for our hosting. Kasi yun, oh my God. So this is a global event. Ba't ako kinakabahan? Ikaw hindi ba?
No.
Malamig lang.
Brought a lot of like dried mangoes. Like I bought like 50.
Oh, ang ganda. Feeling ko nasa college conference ulit ako or high school na we get to meet new people. When given the opportunity to be in events like this, go lang ng go.
Like, share, and subscribe Dave Gino's channel.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen from Florida, USA! Yes, nandito tayo ngayon sa Florida, specifically in Fort Lauderdale. And this is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Pero hindi nakakakuripot yung room natin ngayon. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh my goodness! Ito yung pinakamagandang room ever since nag-start tayo from New York to Mexico. So, salamat naman. Salamat again kay Ate Rica na siyang nag-upgrade ng ating room to a corner room and to a room with a beautiful view of the ocean. Look, ang ganda. Ang ganda. So, magse-7. So, 6 something. Malapit nang mag-alas 7 and ganito yung view natin. Itatry ko mag-vlog today. Today yung day 1. May mga activities na tayo. Nandito tayo for work. We're attending a summit. So yung first na gagawin natin ay mimit natin si Emmy. She's my colleague. And then we'll prepare for our hosting. Kasi yun, oh my God. So this is a global event. Tayo yung napili ng global lead. As in yung leader, commercial leader na mag-host. Misita siya sa Pinas and it was the first time that someone in his level, like next to CEO, it's the first time na may bumisita like him. Natuwa siya nung nag-host tayo sa Philippines kasi ako yung host pati si Emmy. Last month, minute tayo ng Asia President. Binig sa atin yung news na pinili tayo na mag-host sa summit dito sa Fort Lauderdale in Florida. Grabe, kinilig naman ako doon kasi syempre sa dinami-rami ng pinuntahan niyang bansa, diba? Tayo talaga yung napansin niya with Emmy. Pwede mag-host dito sa Florida on a bigger stage. So from the Philippine stage on a global stage. Kailangan namin puliduhin yung script namin. Hindi ko pa talaga completely binabasa guys yung script kasi nasa New York tayo, busy, tapos bakasyon tayo the whole week last week. Bahala na, let's wing it. I cannot wait to meet my other colleagues too from different parts of the world. So yan, from Europe yan, from Latin America to Australia, etc. So this is what I live for, Char. Lapit na yung sunrise. Pero ang ganda talaga ng room natin, no? First time natin mag-US, so to my work, maraming salamat sa opportunity. I-maximize natin ito. Maximize na nga natin kasi diba nagpa-New York na tayo, Washington DC, Virginia, tapos Mexico. So maximize ko na. Mas relax na lang tayo dito sa Florida. Although this is a business trip, work trip, not a vacation. Pero feeling ko nasa bakasyon talaga ako. If you guys will travel in the Philippines, in the US, anywhere else in the world, you can book your activities. Ang ganda din ng CRO. Activities, hotel, travel items, eSIM. Comment ko din sa baba via Klook. Use my promo code DaveGinoKlook para maka-discount kayo. For hotels, you can book also on Agoda. You can use my code for 10% off Dave Agoda para maka-discount kayo. We're in Westin Hotel. It's a 5-star hotel. This is how we start our day. Just look at outside. Ganda. 7:07 and look, napakaganda. Grabe, breathtaking. Thank you, Lord, for today. Ang ganda. May mga nagja-jogging. Ayan. Walking. This is just so nice. Napaka-laid back ng vibe dito. Pasensya na sa imperfection ng ating skin. Grabe. Nagpupumiglas po yung ating pores at pimples. Nasa North Tower tayo. Tapos yung mga kasama natin nasa South Tower. Ito yung bridge papunta sa North Tower. And ayan yung event natin. Nielsen Rev Up. Let's go. Ganda, oh. So nakapila tayo ngayon. Mag-order tayo ng breakfast. Okay? Kasi it's past 8. 9:15 yung rehearsal natin. So kain muna tayo. Hi Heinzel, good morning. Kumusta naman tulog mo? Interview pala.
naman. Mais naman.
Oh, good morning from Florida. Yun talaga. Tara. So this is just a vibe. I'll just put it there.
Okay, parang candid.
Yeah, just put it there recording. I'll eat
So,
fast.
I'm wearing long
Maybe we can
sleeves.
talk about
Yeah.
a bit.
Yeah.
She had like,
Because I'm not yet ready. I don't want
30 minutes.
like work mode
We
yet.
will go to the beach later.
Now,
Later.
I brought a bag because I brought. Oh, do you have someone from Singapore that you want to give?
yeah, but I left the stuff upstairs.
And because I brought a lot of like dried mangoes, like I bought like 50.
Oh.
I mean for everyone.
Wait, should I get it? Should I get my Is it
No
today?
naman, no naman. I just thought kasi you were with Casey and the rest.
Oh.
So I brought the
I gave DC like Manila cookies.
And then I brought these.
What is
to
that?
whoever wanted.
What is that?
The same you gave us?
No, not
No,
not
not the same.
really. These are the stuff that I sell on my shop.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
So cute.
How much is this?
And now, it's time to shine the spotlight on the leaders and top performers who went above and beyond driving our mission forward. For our first award, I would like to call up sino? Blank team. Oh my gosh, so tomorrow agad yung awards night?
Yes,
Yeah.
tomorrow night.
Okay. Good morning! How's everyone feeling today? We had an amazing evening at the awards dinner last night, and I hope you're all energized for another exciting day ahead.
Exactly, Dave. I'm super excited as well. But before we dive in, let's take a quick look at some highlights from the awards dinner and give you a
And important topics from day one. So ako na to. Tawag ko. Okay, yun na yun. Sige, pakiramdaman natin kung may mga madadagdag pa tayo.
Switzerland.
So, kailangan lahat tayo nandun na sa content.
It's a working lunch. It's in the convention center. I mean,
Gusto ko lang sabihin, ang nice ng Fort Lo... Akala ko selfie tayo. Ay, hindi ba? Gusto ko lang sabihin, ang nice ng Fort Lauderdale. Sunny, cold breeze. Ay, ayan. Tingin ka naman, Jax. San mo agad sa GC, nag-aabang yan si Miss Tin.
sinend ko nga yung sneak peek nyo eh.
True. Sneak peek ng hosting. How do you feel?
I'm excited but also nervous. Parang, I don't know, parang we have to be very energized talaga for the next 2 days. But yeah, excited naman.
Buti nga nagkape tayo.
Oo nga.
Tapos sinasabi ko, ibang level ng opportunity ito. Like, hello, from just hosting the Philippine Town Hall to a global one. Sa dinami-rami ng pinuntahan ni Amilcar.
Diba? And we're like gonna be hosting what, 250 people plus?
Oh my gosh, ang
So,
dami pala.
I know the pressure is real.
The pressure
Now you
is
just realize it's just
real.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and-
Later.
but we got
You
this.
can do it, guys.
Yeah,
You
we
can
got
do it.
this.
Proud of you.
Just enjoy also, like, to
Right?
enjoy the process, I think.
Enjoy the
is
process.
The most important thing.
Diba? May natutunan kayo kay Emmy. Sorry.
Oo.
Anong IG ni Emmy?
Oh my God!
She's a private person.
Yes.
Kung may mag-ask man ng IG, dito nilang siya tingnan. May sinabi tayong kailangang i-cut. Ikaw single ka ba?
Yeah, and I'm not ready to mingle.
Not ready to mingle si Heinzel. Sige, ako rin, not ready to mingle. Tsare. Hindi ko may makamatch tayo sa bamboo. Tsare.
Nakatulog ka ba?
Oo, mais tulog ko. Ang ganda ng room natin. Nice.
Yeah, your view is so nice kasi directly sa ocean na eh.
Directly sa ocean.
Ay, yung kay Dave yung best kasi dito siya sa harap ata.
Pero baka mag-shop ako later for the clothes tonight. Cocktail, right? Oh, anong meron to?
Tonight is welcome.
Tonight, it's just welcome.
Yeah, but
Tara, quick lang tayo dito sa beach, quick photo. Ang ganda. Mag-swim tayo one of these days. Ang ganda. Hindi ko na masyadong na-video yung beach, pero ang ganda. Okay. We're gonna go to the conference room. Oops, anong floor tayo? It's okay, mabilis naman. First floor ba yun?
sa mezzanine.
Mezzanine. So, ito guys, yung conference room sa Westin. Ang ganda. Ginagawa namin ngayon yung script namin. Ang
Are you trying to,
tagal-tagal ng internet.
yung PowerPoint?
Yung PowerPoint.
I-search mo na lang, PowerPoint. Tapos you can
Hindi
create.
ko siya slide.
Ay, nga no, slides. Parang I'm cold na rin.
Malamig nga, buti nag-jacket ako. Ba't ako kinakabahan? Ikaw hindi ba?
No. For,
Malamig lang.
Yeah.
Oh, malamig lang, cold lang. Phew.
I think tomorrow. That's when
Tomorrow. Hi. Yan yung figure out natin so that I can edit pa.
Yeah, okay.
Inisip ko din baka masyado tayong mag-click-click kung masyadong marami yung... Kumusta naman? Para tayong... Ang feeling ko ngayon nasa ano tayo? College. Tapos, feeling ko na university. How was your first class? Klase pala.
It was great. Eye-opening.
Wow.
A lot of learnings and growth.
Wow. Nag-decide ka kanina, ha?
Oo nga, nag-decide ako kanina.
How about you? Pili ko nga college student tayo ngayon.
Para lang may participation kami, nagtaas kami kamay. It's very embarrassing. Mukha akong Santa Claus kanina.
Hindi nakakatuwa nga. Nakita ko siya, may bit-bit siyang ano, may bit-bit siyang...
Sobrang embarrassing ko talaga kanina. Mukha akong Santa Claus sa bibigyan. Walang
Bit-bit mo pa yung ano mo. Pero nice naman. Describe your first day here in Fort Lauderdale, like today. First day of the event.
First day.
One word.
One word. Adventure.
Adventure.
It's like adventure. Yeah.
How about you? Casey's from Kuya. You watch her in my vlog. Okay.
I mean,
Feel like
They told you in pool.
feel like it's
diversity.
Diversity because lots of people. Okay. Diversity, adventure. We're back in our lovely room. Pahinga saglit. Ang ganda talaga ng view. Wow, ang dreamy. Relaxing. May mga naliligo sa dagat. May mga nagsiswimming pool lang. Ay, this day was agad. Di pa nga tapos yung araw. So far, ano siya. Feeling ko nasa college conference ulit ako or high school na we get to meet new people. So nakilala natin yung colleagues natin from Europe, even from Africa. Tapos here in the US. And then meron din tayong colleague from New Zealand na hindi ko pa siya na-meet. Nakakatuwa lang yung ganitong experience. Na-expose tayo sa iba't ibang klase ng tao from different parts of the world. Tapos nag-rehearse tayo kanina ni Emmy. So si Emmy yung partner ko sa hosting. Kinakabahan ako. Kanina nalalamig ako, kinakabahan ako. Ganda dito. Tapos dami natin natututunan. Kanina. Kasi nag-breakout. Hindi naman siya breakout pa. But we meet from the same vertical. Ayan, very corporate term. Pero may session kanina kasaming ilang katabaho natin. Yan. Tingnan nyo naman ang pangkabuhayang package. Welcoming, gift. Ay, may tatak ng Nielsen. Ganda nito. Pero sa bahay ko lang to gagamitin. Parang masyadong malakit para bitbitin. We're in this part of the hotel. So, meron silang pool deck dito. Kanina marami nagsiswimming dyan. Di ko sure kung ba't nawala. May cafe dito sa likod. And ngayon may quick briefing tayo with our Asia president. I'm not sure kung anong sasabihin niya sa atin. Pero feeling ko sa hosting lang naman, no? Motivate. Ganun siya. Oo, ganun siya. Oo. Okay, ma-motivate siguro kami for tomorrow. Kailangan talaga natin mag-practice tomorrow morning. Ayun, sana nadadala ko kayo sa ganitong experience. Feels like vacation to me. How about you?
Actually, yeah, parang vacation, same. A little bit of like work kasi of course parang may mga emails pa din, but yeah, parang vacation yun. Kasi I feel like we're immersed into the culture also of Florida. It's very laid back. So parang ako yung feeling, it's like every morning, parang it's so nice to just, chill sa Starbucks, be in front of all of the people running. Yeah.
Walk with us, guys. Dito sa streets of Fort Lauderdale. Lamig ng hangin. So sabi nung reception kahapon, si Rika, it's just like the Philippines. But no, the weather is not very Philippines. May cruise daw. Kasi yung colleagues, workmates namin from Poland sa Europe, nag-cruise sila for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yung iba naman naming colleagues from Asia, they're just drinking. Dalawa lang sila, no? Or nandun na sila?
So.
Okay, chill.
With Dan. So, talo.
Ayan. It's just nice to walk around and smell the breeze. Feel the breeze. Immerse ourselves into the Fort Lauderdale atmosphere. Emmy. Sorry, yung Emmy ko ay EMI. Emmy. Ems. Nice, oh. Malamig, aircon lamig. Tapos sinasabi ko na bilib ako sa mga naligo pa sa dagat ngayon. Tapos naka-bikini. Uminit. Uminit. So may area ata na umiinit.
No, but like in general, yes. It's super windy. Very windy naman. Look at the shoes.
Cheers. Cafe Del Mar.
There, Drunken Taco.
Ah, there. Akala ko 10 minutes na lang sila.
Maybe they're waiting for us.
Oh, I thought they were cruising. But, di na sila nag-cruise. Dito na lang sila. Hey! Oh, you're about to leave?
Yeah.
No, I mean, like, I thought you guys were going to go to the boat.
Recording all our secret evidence on us.
No. Your secret's safe with me. Alright, it's cocktail night. So everyone's getting to know each other. And my food. We have new characters. Jose, right?
Yes.
From
Sydney.
Sydney. And
Regina from Sydney.
Virginia from Sydney. Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you.
Travel vlogger.
On YouTube,
Yeah, on YouTube, Facebook.
What do we say?
like, share, and
Oh,
subscribe.
I even don't say that, but okay, go.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Like, share, and subscribe Dave Gino's channel.
So may after party dito. Nag-cocktail party kanina. Di na ako napag-video because we had to communicate with others, get to know others. Kanina we had to socialize. We had to meet colleagues from different parts of the world. And nakakawala ng boses. But it's a nice experience. Getting new perspectives. Making new friends. Diba? So when given the opportunity to be in events like this, go lang ng go. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, kahit alas 9 na, maximize natin yung night na nandito tayo all together. Huwag muna tayo pumunta sa room because it's not every day that we're in we're in Florida. It's not every day that we're together. Because after this, uuwi na naman tayo sa kanya-kanyang countries. Okay? Yun lang. Let's make the most out of this. Seize the day. Chichikan pa sila doon. Good morning from our hotel in Fort Lauderdale. Grabe no, gigising ka tas ganyan yung view. Thank you, Lord. Ayan. Di na nga tayo nakapag-close kahapon kasi napagod ako tapos inantok na ako. That's our first full day in Fort Lauderdale. Here in Florida, eventful naman siya. Pero feeling ko mas eventful today kasi second day tapos jam-packed yung activities tapos mag-host pa tayo. Nakakatawa yung ibang colleagues kasi kilala nila ako. Kasi may one time na for our vertical, so that's a global town hall or meeting, ako yung pinag-share ng experiences ko, ng wins ko at work. So dito sa Florida, may namimit tayong kilala na pala tayo kasi napakinggan tayo nung nag-speak tayo last year. I can't wait to experience more of this. Sa mga ito pagkakataon, lagi ko sinasabi, maximize natin. So, this is Dave, guys, the Kuripo Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!